Long day, just got home, super hungry. Don't have keys, wait on brother.
I don't have my keys!
Bam. Alright, get inside, teleport to the lair, throw off the backpack. Find out you gotta make your own food tonight. Quick dookie before the prep work. Start working on the chicken for the quesadilla. Time out. Flush. Wash hands. And back to the chicken. Munch. Pick off the bone. Ingredients: Havarti cheese, game changer. Quesadilla tortilla, big one with the Mexican flag on it. Shredded cheese from Congo. And for the accent, feta cheese. Yo, where is it? Alright, make sure you have enough chicken. Put that shit away when you're done. Don't want to upset mom. Set the tortilla. Havarti base layer. Dimension that bitch. Shredded cheese. OG sprinkle. Apply all the pollo. Totally forgot about the tomato. Watch the technique. It makes life easier. Even spread to balance the meat and cheese. Find the feta. Apply with caution.
Oh, fuck.
Told you, dumbass. Shredded cheese to complete the concoction. 2 coats. This is where I realized this was too fat.
Fuck.
Alright, clean everything up before you finish. You're gonna be too lazy after. Don't drop the cheese. Nice save. Alright, the dia should be ready. Watch the cutting technique. Clean and easy slices. You could try to wait, but... Totally forgot about the bean sauce. Shout out mom. Mango juice. Pour. Splash of water. Put it back. Prepare to feast. Sit down and put on some Casey Neistat.
It occurs when the Earth on its axis tilts in the direction of the sun, resulting in longer.
When you're ready, make sure you christen the bean dip.
93 days, 15
Full
hours,
flavor.
48 minutes long. Summer is short, summer is special. And today is the very
And
first most out of summer.
indulge.
This video is going to be me trying to live out a stupid teenage.
You eat that in one bite? Damn.
Starts at some
Oh yeah.
ridiculous hotel.
Indulge again. Once more.
Sorry for the interruptions.
There you go. Damn, that's good. Eat until full.
We got a huge boat. I don't think we can
Throw in the towel.
I'll be the first to recognize this is not the most.
Finish the video.
It's not
Sip the
necessarily
mango.
about being free to play and enjoying every
Now that's how you make a bomb-ass quesadilla.